Alright guys, so this is going to be a chicken killing video. So if you don't like it, fuck off. Come on. Whoops. This up. Why did I do that? Oh well. Fuck it. It's fucking retarded. Okay. Hey, just leave it in there to cook. No, I'm just joking. Okay. Start. We'll just start right here and start plucking. A little bit more. It's just not soft enough. Ooh, fuck. Oh yeah, there we go. Nice rub off. Called choking the chicken. Work better if you rip backwards. Almost got it done. Okay, one more. One more dip.
You don't want to cook the chicken. You just want to get it hot enough that feathers want to fall out. Trick right there. That's what's looking like a rubber chicken. Okay, almost there. Get some pin heads off, and then we're on to the butchering, and we are going to fire roast this guy. Be probably my first fire roasting on a chicken, I think. Never done that I can recall. Okay. Kettle. Spices. Okay. Rubbing. And that's that. Now to move a little closer. There. So now this will get rinsed before it goes on the fire. Basically, going to take them right on the butt here, cut above the butt, and then you hold the butt and cut a little V. The butt's hanging out. Split that up. Open that up and roll these guts out. So this is where I need the pot now. Ouch. Those guts are going in there. Always good to have somewhere to put your guts in. If it's going to explode, you want it to hopefully explode outside of the chicken. Ah, gross. That's the heart and liver, along with some intestine. So basically what you want here is this green thing. You gotta get that out of there. This is the bile, or the gallbladder, and it's loaded with bile. So I just take it and pinch it and pull it away. That part goes in the guts. This part we can keep. In fact, ain't too bad to throw back in the chicken after and cook it up a bit. So I'm just gonna set that there. It's a little campy. Have to excuse me, but there. Now to get the rest out. There's a heart. And the rest of the busted up liver. I wonder why that looks so gross. I find every chicken, the organs often will vary a little bit. They're not always the same. Okay, that's about that there. So this thing's a seed sac. It's not a tumor. This is where they keep the seed. There's two ways to do it. You can do it by hand or just cut a little incision right in there. And roll this out. I didn't mean to actually break the seed sac, but oh well. This will come out. Ugh. Yeah. Fuck. Knocked the phone over. Holy shit. Sorry, guys. Mysterious powers of something just knocked over the phone. The spirit of the chicken. Spirit of the chicken is retaliating my video. It's not happy to be on video while being cleaned, I guess. Oh boy. And it's almost done. Basically want your fingers to meet and touch. And that's that. Now, I'm going to go rinse this. And you pull out all the esophagus and all the guts. All right. There we go. You just give it a quick rinse with some water. And cut the head off. And then these knees you can feel right there. Just cut right through them. Chickens will drop if I cut. There's one. And two. This is the gizzard. Clean this is really easy, just carefully, not too deep. You don't want to, of course, dull your knife. There's rocks in there and all sorts of stuff. Just open up and you dump that into the guts. Sometimes you'll find interesting things. I keep saying that. This isn't my first chicken cleaning video. However, it's my first speed cleaning video without too much instruction. So that goes to the dogs. And the liver and guts will go back inside the chicken. And we're going on the grill. But basically, after a good rinsing, this chicken is done. This is basically the fastest way to clean the gut. And yeah, turned out quite well. So I'm going to be putting a bunch of spices on it. We're going to get cooking this thing. I just want to go run away. I'm going to quickly rinse this off and be right back. Bear with me, I'm just trying to pause. Okay, we're back at it. Got it pretty clean. I'm happy with that. Just gonna set my chicken right there for now. I'm gonna put these back inside to the chicken. Put my chicken back down. Move the grill, or my stove I should say. It's just a metal plate to cook on. And I'm not going to use these moving bricks. Set that there. Might even quickly throw, just throw another log in there real quick. Probably need it. All right. Just a quick little herb mix that I made up of onion, all sorts of other things on it. So, I don't know where to do this right now. Just do it here. Basically, it's herbs and onion powder, curry, salt, pepper. Just all the good stuff to coat a chicken with. And rub it on it. There we go. I'm watching Beasts of the Southern Wild. It's a hilarious movie. Pretty good, well done. And yeah, they kept laughing. They just take a chicken out of the cooler and just toss it on the grill. No spices, nothing. But it's not how I roll. I go all out. I guess we'll just set it there. Another way you can do is you can cut it down the breast and then you fold it open it right up and lay it on the grill. And you know what? I might actually do that, seeing it's a fire roast. But if I do that, I'd have to do my guts a different way. That's the heart and liver. So maybe I'll just try cooking it this way. Another little trick is smoke roast, like that. And what this does is just keeps the smoke in there, and it will give it more of a smoke flavor. So that's basically what we got going. This is going to the dog. That'll go to the dog. I'll go in the gut pile, and all these feathers I'll just rake up and move them, because this is sort of an area to hang out a little bit. All these feathers kind of, well, for me, I don't like it. Oh, I dropped my liver. Oh well, that's one of the dogs now. I could do the breast cutting now because it's not even in there. Let's do it. Screw it. I just got smoke in my eyes. We'll try it. Whew. It's not gonna work. Can't operate it on there. There. It's basically slice away from yourself, of course, kind of obvious. Open it right up. And break it. And that's how we're going to cook it. It's going to turn out a little bit better, actually. There we go. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. That's going to be awesome. So yeah, it's got a bowl smoke. I ripped it open, basically cut it open. Gotta go get my hands clean. Okay. So here we are. Sorry for the crude video, but there we are. It's flattened chicken on the grill with herbs and spices and all. And that'll go there. I'm just gonna toss this liver off to the side, cook it a little bit, just right there, just because this will get hot. And that'll go to the dogs. I don't want to eat that after it fell on the ground. But anyway, that concludes clean and gut, basically farm to table, instant, like, what, 17 minutes? Not bad. Not bad at all. So yeah, for me, usually about 10 minutes. And there's a couple little stall ups that I had, like that string for one. But anyhow, I'm pretty happy with that. And if I can teach you all how to self-sustain, be self-sustained, and feed yourselves, and I think this video is a success. Anyhow, thanks for watching, and that's what we got for today.